How to install fonts into Silhouette Studio. Step 1. First, download the font you want to use with Silhouette Studio. Step 2. Navigate to the downloaded file, right-click and select Extract All. Step 3. Click Extract in the new pop-up window. Step 4. Right-click the font file and click Show More Options. Step 5. Click Install for all users and it'll install the font to the system. Step 6. Once done, open Silhouette Studio and wait for about 2 minutes for the font to populate. Step 7. Open text and type out some text. Step 8. Resize and change the color of the text as required. Step 9. Type in the name of the font in the font field in the Quick Access Toolbar. Step 10. You can also access the font from the Text Style panel. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.